All right, people, so today in front of me, I'm gonna give you this quick video about this super power turbo fan. I think they probably could have found a better name, but that's the name they chose. Shout out to Euki for sending this out to me. But as always, I'm going to keep my review unbiased and honest as possible. But before I get into this product, let me tell you a quick story. So I'm looking around at items maybe on Amazon, but in this case, I was at my dad's house. He actually bought, I don't know if it was from this manufacturer, but he bought one just like this. I was looking at it, I was like, man, this thing is amazing. I don't have to worry about compressed air cans or anything like that. I can just use this, recharge it, and have it until it breaks. I don't know the lifespan of this. I'm pretty sure it's longer than those air cans that you get from Staples or something like that. So went to Amazon, put this in my cart, and about
3 days later,
I was clearing out my spam folder on my business account, and this company reached out to me and asked me to review this product. I'm just like, that's crazy. I just had this in my Amazon cart, and now a company's actually reaching out to me to review this exact product. It's always a nice treat for a company to reach out with a product that I am already looking for.
I like it a lot.
This Euki X3 super power turbo fan, this is one of those products that you didn't know that you needed till you actually see it in action. So, you know what? Stick around. Let's talk about this for a second.
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
All right, people, so quickly go around this box on the front side. As you can see, it says Euki X3 at the top. That's the name and the model number. Super power turbo fan. You have 150,000 RPM, 6,000 milliamp hour battery capacity. On the back side, you do get some more specs. Product name, model number, wind speed, battery capacity, working voltage, charge time. So if you were to kill this battery, which is a 6,000 milliamp hour battery, it will take more than 2.5 hours to charge this back up, but it does have a USB Type-C port on here, so I'll show that to you later. So it'll charge up faster than, you know, like a micro USB. And I don't even know why I said that. Who uses micro USB nowadays? Your device size, device weight, and working time is 100 minutes. And now that 100 minutes is on speed level 1, and there are 3 different speeds in here. Now, there was one thing that I noticed on this box that had me laughing. It says, over temperature protection, automatically stop when temperature reaches 150 degrees Celsius. I ain't lying. It says right here, 150 degrees Celsius. So if I convert that for you, let me go ahead and do the math in my head real quick. Carry the 9, divided by 6, add the 2, move the decimal place. 150 degrees Celsius is 302 degrees Fahrenheit. And just to make sure I did my math correctly, hey Siri, what is 150 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit?
150 degrees Celsius is 302 degrees Fahrenheit.
302 degrees Fahrenheit. Hey, Euki, I know this is a very, very dope product, but this thing is not getting up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't care, I'm not believing. Even if it does, I'm still not believing it. All right, people, now before I do unboxes, let me go ahead and show you the product on Amazon really quickly. Feel free to pause this video whenever you want. I'm just going to run through it. So as you can see, you have a collection of brushes that this comes with on the inside. X3 versus canned air. Easy operation, strong wind force, reusable, cost efficient, eco-friendly, multiple uses. And as you can see, the canned air side is right there. Hard to operate. I don't know about that, but low wind force, hard to press control, residue, liquid, unpleasant odor, damaged equipment. High efficient motors. As you can see, there's 3 levels, 60,000 RPMs, 90,000, and 150,000 RPMs. Different uses right here. You have people cleaning controllers, electronic devices, toys, blowing snow, charcoal fire, whatever, all that good stuff. 3-gear switch, I'll get into that in a little bit. Cool design, strong magnetic blowing cover, and I'll show that in a little bit as well. And as you can see right here, the price for this right now is $72 for Prime Day. You save 45%. This is a Prime Day deal, but I'll put the links in the description down below so that the latest price will always be available for you whenever you check this video out. And then one thing I did notice, I know Euki probably doesn't want me to say this, but as you can see, there's a bunch of different companies that offer the same thing. So Euki was actually the company that reached out to me, so I'm pushing this Euki product right now. On the inside of this box, what you will get pretty much straightforward. You do have a user manual right here. I'm not going to talk about this user manual. You have the blower right here. You have a USB type A to USB type C charging cable. You do get this nice pouch. I think this, I mean, it feels like velvet. I don't know.
This is beautiful. What is that, velvet?
Smells like velvet too.
What the hell did you just say?
And then you have assortment of cleaning brushes right here. Here is the product right here. Going around this, first I want to let you know that this cone right here, it actually comes off, is held on by magnets. So I love magnets. I love how they incorporate that in here. On the back side is where you have your power button. You hold this down and you have your 3 lights right here. You push it again, 2 lights, push it again, 1 light, and that will cycle through your 3 different gears. I always rock with it on full power. You have your trigger up front right here. On the bottom, you have your 4 LED lights, obviously in 25% increments. And then you have your USB Type-C charging port right here. Sorry, I keep looking up. My monitor's right here just to make sure I stay in focus. I'm traumatized because my camera is going in and out of focus for some reason. Have rubber on the back side right here and also rubber on the front side, and then the rest of it is just solid plastic. And you have your brushless motor on the inside. That's everything about this. It's not heavy at all. This is something that you could probably just keep on your desk or keep in your car whenever you want to clean. I know I'm a real big stickler when it comes to dust anywhere, so this thing will probably be traveling with me back and forth to work, or maybe it just might stay in my car. But either way, this thing is going to be with me one way or another. I do have some things I want to show you exactly how strong this thing is. Got the YouTube plant. It actually got some force to it. It's actually really fun to use. I have this tiki doll that my brother got me from Hawaii. Knock this over. I don't know if canned air can do that. Pretty much straightforward. It's a turbo fan. Like I told you, it's 3 different speeds. It's eco-friendly, rechargeable, and this will last you a lot longer than buying canned air. I would try to put up some examples right here of people doing different things with it, cleaning out keyboards, cleaning off electrical equipment, cameras, also cleaning out their cars, detailing their cars with this, using a brush in conjunction. I don't know about so much getting snow off of a car. Maybe if it's powdery snow, then for sure you can probably do that. When it's on level 1 or level 2, you push this down 1 time, it will stay on. If you push it down 1 time on level 1 or level 2, only time you have to hold the trigger down is when it's on level 3. It's a must-have product in my opinion. If you have a computer or there's dust that builds in your house, that's probably everybody, you probably want to get this. Put down that canned air, pick one of these up, you will thank me later. That is my full rundown and review of this Euki X3 Super Turbo Fan. As always, if this is your first time here or if you found any value in the video whatsoever, go ahead and smash the subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notification when I drop my next tech video. Also, a like to this video won't hurt either. My name is Nicholas. Thank you for stopping by the Tech Love channel, and I'm out. Peace.